captured this sign right here. So kind of a cool building. It says, "Don't yell at me." Pretty cool thing to say. So we're gonna follow this road, which is Gate Street, but we're gonna go down Gate Street just a little bit because I want to follow some artwork. And I didn't start at this scene, but this one is where kind of more the flowers and the fruit is at. But what I'm gonna do is start at this space, and then we're gonna go up to kind of a park with some artwork. So we're just gonna follow this. There's a cat. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So let's just see. There's an alley that I'm going to be looking for. And I believe it's up this one, and then we're going to take a right in a second. So Gate Street, and take a right here. And then we're going to take another right, take a left here, and then take a right up here. And I see some people sitting where I want to go, which is, I think that's the alley. Pretty cool. So, oh, this is actually Peel Street. No, this is this the alley? Yeah, this is one of the alleys. So we're just gonna walk. There's a little park deep in here, so I'm gonna follow this to that park. A lot of construction in this space. Here's some of the artwork right here. Cool. Alright. But there's more artwork down this way. So we're gonna follow this all the way down that way. And then there's a park down there that I'm looking to get to. This is we were here earlier. Let me just frame that real quick. So yeah, that was the space that we were at earlier. So we're gonna walk into Manhing Lane. I have filmed in here before, but it was about 8 or 9 months ago. And each time you take a camera, even in the same place, your eyes focus on different things. Oh yeah, this is the space I want to get to because there's some artwork right here. Oh, this is cool. So last time I was here, I guess they changed what they say. So last time there was different words here. So I guess you could write anything you want in this space. So, okay, let's keep going. So this is the park I was thinking of, and yeah, there was some other different artwork, so it changes all the time. Oh, this was here before. Just kind of a cool framing like that. That other one in the background. Hope is. Okay. So we're gonna keep walking. And no paraphernalia. Let's see what. Yeah, this was closed last time I was here. French Bistro. Pretty cool space. But we're gonna keep on walking. China. I think this had more to say too. It's weird, it's kind of a voiceless alley right at the moment. The China one is voiceless, and then the two people was also voiceless, but before they had a lot to say in their artwork. Might be a good thread, good title. Voiceless people. Bohemian. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk up in this space, and then we're going to find a good spot to frame a nice picture to close out here. Nice, right there. The tree is beautiful. And we have this space, and we have this space. I think I kind of want to frame this tree right here. So we're gonna walk over in a minute. We're gonna capture that space again, and then we're gonna walk across. As soon as I get a chance, we're gonna walk across, and we're going to go right now. And what I want to do is frame this Hollywood. There we go. Hollywood. And then this right here, I definitely want to frame this. This is beautiful. So this space right here, I'm just going to capture all the way up the tree. There we go. That's pretty cool. Okay. So we're just going to frame it like that. And just kind of capture how beautiful that is. Actually, this is be a pretty beautiful scene for film. The space, have some kind of action scene, or not action scene, but some kind of dramatic scene in the space right here. I'm gonna do it from a couple different angles. And I think I'm gonna conclude. So this was kind of this, this is Aberdeen Street and Hollywood Road. Chiquinha, chiquinha.